Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Ingrid here from IngridJoyAromas. Today I'm gonna be showing you this all over again, how to make this ear spray. I had the spray before. I have up a video with the ear spray, and then I have to cut into that to show you how I put the label on, because this lady was coming over for the oil and not the spray. So I made the oil, but I have to just start doing the video just to show you how I put that label on as well. But instead of making the spray, I was making the oil. So today I'm using 6 oil. So I need the this bottle. You need a dropper, and I need my distilled water, which I forgot. I poured out and I leave it on the countertop, and I will go get it. So like I was saying before, is that this is just quick and easy, guys. You can save money by just making it yourself. All you have to do is just buy your oils, and you always have your oils to use. Don't forget, when you're using these oils, to do a patch test. As always, if you're allergic to any oil whatsoever, consult your doctor, guys. You ask your doctor about these oils and so forth, but always do a patch test, and you will see. If just let it stay for, I'll make it stay for an hour, and if you see any bubble or anything like that, just stop using it right away. So far I've been using these oils and making them for people as well, and never have a problem whatsoever. Yeah, so all you need to do is just drop all these ingredients in these bottles here, top it with your distilled water, and give it a good shake. I use mine right away after I give it a good shake. But these oils have so much benefits. I make serum with all these oils. I make serum with them as well, face serum. Some of these oils have properties in there for acne and dry skin, and all these great oils. You can also mix and match these oils as well. Don't forget, you have to use these oils regularly to see your results. You cannot use these oils a week here and a week there, and then you expect to get results. Use this oils at least 3 times a week, 2 times a week if you can, and you will more see the result. But if you don't use it whatsoever, you can't send me a message and say it doesn't work. That's because you're not using it the way you're supposed to. And another thing is, don't go and buy your cheap essential oils. You need organic essential oils, because some of these essential oils, they'll even water down or oil down. I've buy a lot of oils already from different people, and they smell nothing like the organic oils. So again, know where you buy your oils from. And as you can see, I use 6 oils here. I use the lavender, peppermint, and frankincense, rosemary, tea tree, and cedarwood. So I just got my water, and I'm gonna just top this off, and I'm also gonna show you how I put my labels on. Just fill it up all the way to the top. Just leave a little bit of room in there so you can cap it. And I had a video before where I use, instead of doing the water, I use a carrier oil and I use a coconut oil instead of the water. So I will top it off. When I'm going out, I will use it on my scalp, and then when I come back, I don't use too much sometimes. I just spray the inside of my hair, and then like two mist of the oil, the one that I made before. You can go check that video out. So you can see how this is, it doesn't look oily or anything like that. You give it a good cap, and I'm gonna show you how I put some labels on, because I think I have some labels. So you can see it's not like you see any oils or anything there. Beautiful oils I'm using here, just amazing. A few of these oils are my favorite oils, and so I put them into a spray. All right, let's give this a good wipe. Whoops. I don't know, I feel like sometime when I'm making videos, everything just turning over. Okay, so I'm gonna be using one of this label, just as like it's a small little sticker label, and I put them under the bottom of the bottle. It just have my logo on it, IngridJoyAromas. I don't know if you can see it. No, but close up I can see it, but I don't know if the camera will. So I'm gonna be showing you how I just label this thing, because I'm making this for this lady. She loves it and she's seeing a result. Just push it in the middle and then carry it to the side. And I mean, I've been putting on labels for a very long time, and if you don't like how it goes on, you can always peel it off quickly. And I'm gonna show you how I carry it down to the bottom. Just don't make it too long before you peel it off, because if you do, it will stick and you won't be able to peel it. Take it to the side and the other side, and you're all done. And that's the way I want it. Just leave some room to the top and the bottom as well, and yeah, you're done. I'm done with this one. I hope everyone's having a lovely day. Please go to your family, go to your neighbor, and have an awesome weekend. And be blessed, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.